All right, guys, so this is one of my favorite drills as well. This is the pistol triple bull. It's a 3-iteration exercise. You need total of 30 rounds. 10-round magazines are the best. So I'm here at the 15-meter line, which is the advanced distance. The beginner distance is 10 meters. So again, we're gonna have, with your first 10-round magazine, you're gonna have 20 seconds to engage that bottom dot. On the second beep or command, you're gonna have 15 seconds to engage the middle dot. And with that third magazine and that final command, you're gonna have 10 seconds to engage that top dot. So we're gonna do this off the beat from the draw, and we'll record our times. Now these times are really just for instructional purposes, but for competitive purposes, we're obviously gonna shoot faster, record our times and record our score. But have fun with it. Let's see how we do. All right, so that first time was 728. 728. That time was 718. And that time was 710. 710. I'll post the total time on the caption, guys, when I do the math, but let's go look at this target really quick and see how we scored. I may have a flyer. All right, so that bottom dot is clean. This middle dot, they both broke in, so that's clean. And the top dot is clean. All right, cheers.